What's up, guys? Today we're in Marquette, Michigan. We've got some old ore docks over here, and we've got like a boardwalk over here, a kayak launch over here. There's a fishing rod down over there. There's some trash along here. Nice and clear. Jay and I are gonna go out and clean this area up. Got a fishing pole, graphite series, quantum reel on there. There's still, I had a lure stuck on me around my flag. Oh, it's an eagle. The eagle. 800. I think we were down to 20 feet a few times. What's your name? Ezekiel. I've seen a really cool video of somebody ice skating out here, like a hockey player. Just finished diving over here at the old ore docks, Marquette, Michigan. Check out what we got. We found a cone today. Found 2 eagles. Caw! There we go. Got some bottles out of there, some metal. I got someone's Milwaukee drill. This is lost down there, and this wasn't too far away from it here. This Milwaukee case right here. Look at that. Nice set of bits. That's a bad day right there. Found a square, some more trash, a shirt right here. Found a sign right here that says native wildflower planting. Stakes. Pulled a couple tires out right here. Also found this nice rod out at the end of the kayak launch right straight ahead there. Looks like it was just lost recently, so if this is yours, let me know. This is the kind of lure that it had on it. There's a bunch more tires all in here, and a lot of them are pretty heavy. We got 2 out, but the rest are gonna have to stay for another day. Somebody could come with a barge and a rope or chain or something, pull them up. That would work out awesome, but it's kind of too big of a job for us. Just got done diving by the shore docks over here. Just got done diving over by the shore. Just finished diving over here at the old ore docks, Marquette, Michigan. Check out what we got.